Hello everyone, welcome back to Math Jamboree. We have another digital SAT math similar question from the topic of exponents. Let's dive into it. Which of the following is equals to x to the power of 7 over 2 for all values of x? In choice A, we have square root of 7x. In choice B, square root of 7x, but it's choose shown in the root section. That's the only differences. And C is square root of x to the power of 7. And D, we have x to the power of 7 over 4. So, to solve these questions, x 7 over 2, since 7 is in numerator, that means in top of it, and it's going to stay on top of x. But the denominator will tell us the degree of the exponent, the root, which is 2. We usually don't write the 2 in the roots. So this is going to become either this way, but in this question, specific question, they used the 2 in the root section. That's why the correct answer will be C for this specific question. A is not the answer because 7 is in there, 7x. No, this is not the answer. If you look at this choice B, 7x to the power of 1 over 2, which is not something we're looking for. And if you will convert this exponent to square root, let me show you that. X and 7 on top of it, numerator, it's gonna stay on top of the x, but the degree of the root will be 4. Denominator goes into degree of the root. So this is how it works. And also I want to talk about the importance of the playlist section in our channel. Please check for the playlist section in our YouTube channel so that you can practice the topics. There are a lot of SAT similar questions from various of topics. You can pause the videos and solve it on your own and check for your answers afterwards. So that being said, I hope you found this video helpful. If you did, please give it a thumbs up. If you have questions or comments, you can always leave it below there. Thank you and see you next time. Bye-bye.